Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix a critical error occurred and the process must be terminated on your Valorant. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, a critical error occurred and the process must be terminated on your Valorant when you try to run your Valorant game, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just open the settings, click on start menu, then click on settings. Then in left side you will find apps, click on the apps, then click on install apps, or if you find apps and features you can click on that. After that, here you can see app list. In this you have to find MSI afterburner. You can see there is no MSI in my system. If in your system or laptop you will find MSI afterburner, you have to just select and uninstall. Just click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. After that, just close this window, then click on services, click on the services, then search for VGC. Suppose if this is your VGC, right click on that, then click on properties. Here you have to make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is manual or disabled, you have to select as automatic. Then apply, then click OK, and close this window. Now press Windows plus R key, then type here %. App data %. APPDATA and %. Then hit enter. After that, you can see your app data. You have to click on this folder. After that, click on local folder. In this, you have to find the Valorant. You have to scroll down and find the Valorant. I have not installed the Valorant, it's not showing here. If you have installed the Valorant, you will find the Valorant folder here. You have to just open that Valorant folder. After that, you will see saved folder. You have to open that saved folder. After opening the saved folder, you will find 2 to 3 folders in that. You have to delete all that saved, whatever folders are available in your saved folders. After deleting, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix a critical error occurred and the process must be terminated on your Valorant. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.